things required things required for making hand peacock: a drawing sheet or A4 paper or a drawing copy, pencil, eraser, a gum, a marker, a scissor for color. These are the requirement for making the peacock, and some stars are there and colored papers. These are the requirement of the making the peacock. So we start the thing. These are the requirement. Take a A4 paper or drawing copy. Divide the paper into three parts. First we will divide the paper into three parts, so the work will easy. See, like this we will divide the paper, and one part we will draw the peacock. In one part we will draw the peacock. So we start, take the paper. These are the three deep parts. We will draw only the peacock here. First we will draw A1 2 and draw the circle here like this, and draw the eyes inside the 0 and the beak. And join the line here, the opposite the eyes. You will see the line, curved line is there, and this is the feathers of the peacock. Now here we will join the line like this and rub here and draw the U like this, and the U one side, this one, and this is the leg of the peacock, and the crown is there on the head. Like this we will draw the peacock. And we will take this papers, and opposite side we will draw the opposite side. Same, we will take the third part. We have divided the three parts. Same, we will take cut the square and draw the palm on this one. We have this one, a baby hand. The thumb is there and the four fingers. Four fingers here. We will take the paper. All together and make the mark and cut with a scissor. Like this we have take out the papers here. See, like this we will take out the paper from the square one, this one. Like this we will take out the paper, and we will decorate this paper. We will stick the stars on this. Like this we will stick the stars. Like this we will complete In each hand we will stick the stars. And leave it for dry. Leave it to dry. Leave it to dry. Now see here, I have drawn the picture with a pencil. After this we will take the colors peacock blue, black for outlining, green for grass. Like this we will take the color, sky blue for giving the shade of the sky. Like this we will take out the colors. See here, I've done for the color like this. First we will color the outline. First we will color the outline and fill the color inside. After this, after coloring, give the effect of grass near the leg. The legs are not showing. Give the shade of the grass. Now you are in class 5. Give more colors in the grass, light green, yellow color, dark green color. Then like this we will shade. This is the forest area. Like this, not we see the peacock in the city. Like this we will give the base outline and the blue color shadow with the sky. Blue color for the skies here. Now we will take the hand and stick it here with the help of the Fevicol. We'll stick one by one. Like this we will stick the peacock feather. Like this we will stick the feather of the peacock. Okay, like this we will complete the handwork. Thank you for watching. Subscribe me for more videos. Do like, share. Thank you for watching.